In this video, we're going to show you how to install the blower motor on your Ford Focus located underneath the passenger side of the dashboard. Now up underneath the dash, you're going to locate the blower motor right here. Now there's 3 T20 Torx bit screws. There's going to be one in the back over here. There's one right here, and the third one is right here. Before we remove those, we're going to go ahead and disconnect the electrical connector right here. Push in on this little gray tab. Wiggle that out. And I'm going to use my trim tool right here. And I want to pop this harness off right here. Using our T20 Torx bit, I'm using my 1/4 inch ratchet. Locate that one back here. Now I'm using a stubby 1/4 inch ratchet here. You can use a full-size 1/4 inch ratchet if you want. Now we're going to be reusing those screws, so hold on to those. And then we have our third over here. And you can see that blow motor is starting to drop down as I remove this screw. I'm going to just hold it up while I pull that screw out. And then this should just drop out. Now before you install the blower motor, I'm going to go ahead and show you that it's actually keyed. There's a flat section here and it's rounded all the way around, so you can't really mess this up installing it. Let's go ahead and set up underneath the dash and get the screws started. Now right here is that flat section here, so let's go ahead and line up our blower motor. Feed that cage up inside. Now at this point here, it doesn't matter what screw you get started, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this one in, get that in probably about 3/4 of the way. That screw should be enough to hold the unit in place while I get the other two in. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply snug this one down. Now that you have 2 screws in, everything is lined up, so you can't really mess anything up here. Now once that screw bottoms out, just give it a little bit more. Just want to make that snug. Let's go back to that first one. We're going to do the same over here. All right, it's bottomed out. Snug it just a little bit more. And let's get that third screw installed. All right, we have all 3 screws secured. Go ahead and grab that harness. There's that little button here that we had pulled out. Let's go ahead and put that in. Go ahead and grab that electrical connector, line that up, and push it on. At this point here, you've now completed the job.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.